Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a leap potion in Minecraft. First, you'll need a brewing stand and some blaze powder to fuel it. Next, locate nether wart in the nether to brew an awkward potion, which serves as your base. Finally, you'll need a rabbit's foot, a somewhat rare drop from rabbits, to complete the recipe. This method is straightforward and ensures you get your potion quickly. To start, set up your brewing stand and place one piece of blaze powder in the fuel slot on the left. This will power your brewing process. Then, put 3 water bottles into the 3 bottom slots of the stand. Finally, place one nether wart in the top ingredient slot. The brewing process will begin, transforming your water bottles into awkward potions, which are crucial for the next step. Now that you have your 3 awkward potions, it's time to add the special ingredient. Keep your brewing stand fueled with blaze powder. Place the 3 awkward potions into the bottom 3 slots of the brewing stand. Then, take your rabbit's foot and place it in the top ingredient slot. The brewing process will start again, converting your awkward potions into potions of leaping, granting you enhanced jump abilities. Once you have your potions of leaping, you can enhance them further. To extend the duration, simply add redstone dust to the top slot while the potions are in the bottom. If you want to increase the jump boost level, use glowstone dust instead. Remember, you can only apply one of these enhancements per potion. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.